It's another great day in the camper. Today we're going to change the oil in the Onan 4K generator that's on board. It's a single phase generator. It does not have an oil filter. So we're going to change the oil. We're going to change the air filter. We're going to show you how to do it. Put the links for everything in the description. I use full synthetic oil. The thing I find really important is not to make a giant mess when changing the oil. If you pull the drain plug out of the bottom of these generators, you have a tendency to get oil all over the place. And I'm in my driveway. I don't want to get oil all over the place. So I bought an oil sucker. I don't know the technical name for it, but it's an oil sucker. It's pneumatic, or there's a handle on it that you can pump it to suck it out. It goes right into the dipstick tube, sucks the oil out, put the new oil back in, and it's already contained. You can either pour it in a container and bring it back to your local AutoZone or one of those places that takes it back so it can get recycled. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Check it out. All right, new video. In our 2018 Thor Class C, I have an oil sucker. It's pneumatic. I have an air filter. I'll change the air filter. I have 15W40 Jenny oil that we'll use, and I have a small container so I don't spill anything. A couple funnels. It's pretty simple. Let's get into it. Get the cover off here. Here's the oil fill. Clean that up a little bit. So the nice thing about having the oil sucker is that you don't have to worry about taking the drain plug out and making a mess underneath. This is the replacement air filter, and it goes into this. Air filter looks pretty cruddy. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I mean, it's not really horrible. I've seen worse. Get in. Alright, there you see. That's the new air filter with the wing nut on it. There's your replacement numbers. And I'll also put the link. I think I bought a 2-pack on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of the video. And then it goes back on. Old one, new one. You can see the difference. All right, here we go. I have the oil suckers hooked up to the compressor. I'm just gonna put the tube right in the oil fill. Turn it on. There it goes. So extracting the oil out the bottom is automatic. Air filter's in, oil's empty. without taking the drain plug out. And I have this full synthetic 15W40 mobile oil. I find it easier to measure. The guide says 1.6 quarts, which is about 1.5 liters. This is a liter jug that I saved. That's helpful for measuring. So about 1.5 liters in there with the funnel. And then I'll check it. Like I said, full synthetic. It's a little bit more money, but it's well worth it, I think. One thing you want to look for is that if you're not parked on a level surface, sometimes you have to check it after you move the camper more to a level surface. That says it's full.